welcome back to my channel. So first I'm going to use my YSL Tushy Clot Primer and spend 10 minutes shaking it out because that shit would not come out. And then I finally got it out after like 20 minutes. Now I'm just tapping it into my face. I don't know what that does, but you know, just tap it in. And now I'm taking my YSL Radiance Foundation. This is the best foundation I've ever tried in my whole entire life. I'm obsessed with it. It's really full coverage and it still kind of gives you like a glowing look. Now I'm just tapping it into my skin. Tap, 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 tap. You can't forget the neck. Everyone makes this face. Like, don't deny it. You make this face when you're tapping out your foundation. Now I'm just going to take my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Vanilla. And, you know, just make a cool design on your face. Can we just talk about my mouth? Like, you guys are going to see my tongue come out of my mouth at least 20 times in this video. Now I'm just going to blend all that in. Now I'm going to take my favorite powder in the whole entire world, the Laura Mercier powder. I'm obsessed with this stuff. It's probably the best powder you could ever buy. Now, you know, just feeling yourself, giving yourself a little brow raise. And now I'm taking the Hello Flawless powder by Benefit, and it's in the shade Petal. And I'm just going to tap that into my face so hard. It looks like I'm beating myself, but I promise I'm okay. And now I'm going to take my Chocolate Gold bronzer from Too Faced. I'm obsessed with this bronzer. It's amazing. Don't worry, that's going to be blended out. I look like an Oompa Loompa now, but it'll be blended out, I promise. Can't forget that big forehead. Now I'm going to take my MAC blush in Melba. Literally the best blush ever. It works on so many different skin tones, so that's a great one. And now I'm using my Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick in Rose, and I'm just going to put that over top of my blush just to give it like a sheen. Now I'm taking my Stila Putty Highlighter in Kitten. It's the coolest highlighter in the world. Like, I could just press on it all day. It feels like Play-Doh. Can you see that face? Like, that's shock right there. That highlighter is bomb. You can't forget to put it like absolutely everywhere, so I'm just gonna shower my face in it. Now I'm taking my Too Faced Diamond Highlighter and just gonna put that over top just for that extra glow. It's so gorgeous, like it's blinding. Like if you want a blinding highlighter, you need this one. Now I'm taking my Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. It is gorgeous, and I'm just going to take that cream shade and put it all over my lid up to my brow bone. And now I'm going to take that brown shade and I'm just going to put it in my outer corner and in the crease of my eye. Blend, blend, blend. And now I'm going to take the same shades I used on top of my eye and I just put them underneath my eye. And now I'm taking that shimmery shade from the palette and I'm just going to put it all over my lid and in my inner corner. And now I'm taking my Marc Jacobs highliner in the color Plumage, just to bring out my green eyes. Yes, they're green, people, okay, I promise. You probably can't tell on camera, they look kind of brown, but they're green, okay? And now I'm taking my Maybelline liquid eyeliner, And I just put my eyeliner on. I snap my fingers, magic. And now I'm taking my Maybelline Great Lash Mascara, the Teardrop one, and I'm just going to apply it to my lashes. This is such a good mascara, and I feel like it's so underrated. It really makes my lashes look super long and full. And now I stab myself in the eye. Like, does this happen to you guys all the time? Because I feel like this happens to me every single day. Now I'm going to take my Dior lip gloss, and look at me being extra. Like, calm down, girl. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. Am I posing for something? Like, next I took my Caudalie Beauty Elixir spray, and it literally smells like a plant from my backyard, but it actually works really good. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. This is the final look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. I love you all, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and goodbye. Are space buns still even in? I don't even know.